नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस में। आई होप यू आर ऑल डूइंग वेल। तो आज बात करते हैं असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज पार्ट 8। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं 50 मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। ये क्वेश्चन मैंने प्रीवियस ईयर और इंटरनेट और बुक से लिए हैं। आई होप आपको पिछले पार्ट्स पसंद आ रहे हो। मैंने इससे पहले 7 पार्ट अपलोड किए हैं, आप उन्हें जरूर वॉच करें। साथ ही साथ दोस्तों, मैं उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान, उत्तराखंड सामान्य हिंदी और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स भी अपलोड करता रहता हूँ। आप वो वीडियो जरूर देखें, वो आने वाली एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। दोस्तों साथ ही साथ मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर लें, उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। वहाँ पे मैं डेली करंट अफेयर, पीडीएफ्स और इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर डालता हूँ। तो दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज पार्ट 8। प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें अगर आप चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो। दोस्तों मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन बोलूंगा, आपको पढ़ना है और आंसर करना है। इन द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ रिटर्न ऑन शेयर होल्डर इन्वेस्टमेंट द रेफरेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट डील विथ, एंड द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द above. The next question is, which of the following is an advantage of standard costing? आपको स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्टिंग के एडवांटेजेस बताने, एंड द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द above. The next question is, the following item is shown in the profit and loss appropriation account. appropriation account में कौन कौन से आइटम शो होते हैं प्रॉफिट लॉस के, and the answer is dividend declared. The next question is, the asset of business can be classified as, and the answer is fixed and current asset. Next question, which of the following is the test of the long term liquidity of business, and the answer is interest coverage ratio. The next question is, identify the item that is not taken into account in computing the current ratio, and the answer is bank overdraft. The next question is, dividing the net profit by the paid up amount of equity share capital yield. The answer is rate of return on equity share capital. The next question is, price earning ratio is equal to market price per equity share divided by, and the answer is earning per share. The next question is, the sale of inventory on account will be cause the quick ratio to, the answer is increase. The next question is, return on total asset ratio is equal to divided by total asset. The answer is net income before the preference dividend and interest paid. The next question is, ZBB stands for, ZBB stands for, and the answer is zero based budgeting. Next question, the stock turnover ratio is, and the answer is activity ratio. Next question is, AS19 deal with, and the answer is leasing. The next question is, the return on investment ROI may be calculated as, and the answer is net profit before interest, tax and dividend slash capital employed. The stock turnover ratio may be calculated as, And the answer is cost of goods sold divided by average stock. The satisfaction ratio between internal and external equity is, and the answer is 1:1. The next question is the gross profit ratio is the ratio of gross profit to, and the answer is net total sales. The next question is acid test ratio is equal to quick current acid divided by, and the answer is current liabilities. The next question is in the debt equity ratio, external equity refers to, and the answer is debenture and current liabilities. The next question is which of the following is type of budget according to functions? And the answer is operating budget. The next in the computing of debtors turnover ratio account receivable includes, answer is debtors and BR. Identify the formula that is used to calculate capital turnover ratio. And the answer is net sale divided by capital employed. Which accounting standard deal with interim financial reporting? And the answer is accounting standards 25. In the debt equity ratio, equity refers to, both preference and equity capitals plus all reserves. The next question is what does the return on total asset takes into account? And the answer is income before tax and interest on fixed liability. The next question is the marketing plan provide both, and the answer is the vision and the direction. The next question is marketing concern requires both fixed and the answer is working. Fixed as well as working capital includes. Promotion mix is the particular combination of promotion tools used by a company to with its audience communicate. It used as means of communication. The next question is which is the base of green marketing? And the answer is product. The next question is which is not a form of internet marketing? And the answer is product mix and branding. The next question is the market environment consists, and the answer is all of the above. The next question is the marketing manager have to carry out responsibility integration all these factor in the management, and the answer is process. Sales promotion include all promotional activities other than advertising, personal selling, and answer is publicity. The next question is, which of the following point is responsibility for effective market segmentation? And the answer is all of the above. Brand concept not includes, and the answer is digital marketing. It does not include digital marketing. What does the ROI take into accounts? And the answer is net fixed assets. The next question is, in case of limited company, the term financial statements includes, and the answer is profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, and balance sheet. Next question is, the issue of equity capital in exchange of plant and machinery will cause the return on equity capital to, and the answer is decrease. The next question is, the return on equity capital ratio is obtained by dividing net profit after tax less preference dividend by, and the answer is equity capital. The next question is, the net profit ratio is the ratio of net profit to, and the answer is net total sales. The next question is, identify the transaction that has no effect on current ratio, and the answer is bill receivable collected. The profit on reissue of forfeited share are transferred to, and the answer is capital reserve. Is transferred to forfeited share in capital reserve. What does creditor turnover ratio take into account? And the answer is total credit purchase. The direct advantages of accounting do not include, and the answer is competitive advantage. The basic rule of bookkeeping, debit all expenses and losses and credit all gains and income, is applicable to, and the answer is nominal account. It's rule for nominal account. The next question is, which of the following statements is correct? And the answer is fixed asset must always be shown at market value. Which of the following statements is not correct in relation to cash discount? And the answer is cash discount is always allowed at rate higher than the rate of trade discount. The next question, bonus share can be issued by a company out of free reserves built up of genuine profit. Current asset includes, And the answer is all of the above. And the last question for today. Which of the following ratios is most important for judging the long-term solvency of firm? And the answer is debt equity ratio. तो दोस्तों ये था असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट के लिए मॉक टेस्ट पार्ट 8। आई होप आपको ये पसंद आया होगा। दोस्तों डिस्क्रिप्शन में टेलीग्राम चैनल को जरूर ज्वाइन करें, वहां आपको मिलेंगे डेली करंट अफेयर और उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान से पीडीएफ। साथ ही साथ दोस्तों चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर आप चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं, उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस, मैं डेली एक वीडियो अपलोड करता हूं। दोस्तों मैं रेगुलर वीडियो अपलोड करता हूं, चाहे वो उत्तराखंड सामान्य ज्ञान हो, सामान्य हिंदी हो, या फिर उत्तराखंड मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज असिस्टेंट अकाउंटेंट के लिए पार्ट्स हो। दोस्तों उत्तराखंड स्टडी एक्सप्रेस को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही साथ हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल जरूर ज्वाइन करें। ओके गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, डू सब्सक्राइब।